Level Up Lounge is a strong and beautiful space for women all over the world, and we are supporting each other in a loving and caring way. And I'm so grateful to have Marianne as my mentor. She helped me a lot in a lot of areas, leveling up all of my standards. I'm aware of now what I want and what I will go for, and my self-image has improved a lot. She support me in being who I am and dare to dream big and be the star that I feel now that I am. And in my economic situation is improved as well, because I'm a lot more aware of what I'm doing. I'm confident now, and that shows now in a lot of areas in my life. So I'm so grateful for Marianne and all she's doing, and all the women in the space that are supporting each other.